Hi everyone, welcome back to the Altium Develop series. Do you want proof of what changed and why in your project, in your schematics, or a PCB without hunting emails? So, if yes, I will show how Altium Develop digital thread works that ties every change, comment, and approvals all auditable in one place. I have opened a demo project from Altium Develop Workspace in my Altium Develop software. So Altium Designer Develop software. So here you can see I have removed the diode D1 in between the bad power 17 PDB and ground nets and showed these lines and saving the changes, and now I will see it will be uploaded. Changes will be made in the workspace as well. And let's wait a second. It's loading the page. And here you can see the diode E1, TPS diode E1 is removed. So there is another way to see that what the change is done is going to the history panel, history option, and go see what change is made. Here you can see the file 2 MB schematic sheet is basically is changed with two nets are changed and one component is removed. So history option keeps track of all your activities. So it's best practice to see if you forget or a designer forget to make changes or have done some wrong changes, so he can undo the changes. So here now I will show you how can we add a parameter. Over here I am adding the parameter. It's already discussed in our previous video, but let's see it. I have added the parameter with 1 2 3 4 and saving the changes to the server. The purpose of this activity is so you can see how can we see what is changed in the schematics, even in the BOM point of view, so we can track what is changed. So let's see here in the schematics, the C7 is 4.7 UF right now, and I am saving the schematics to synchronize the board designs and refreshing the page. To see the changes, you can go to the release option and on the right side. So first, let's change something so we can get a better idea. So I am changing the value of C7 from 4.7 UF to 100 UF, and now I am saving it, saving to the server. Click OK, and it will save to the server. Let's do this activity with another project. NTV4055 NPTH, open in Altium Designer software, and open the schematics. Here the fuse schematics protection circuit dot schematics talk. Remove the fuse, add a wire, and now save it to the server. It is saving. Let's wait a bit more, and on the D2 TVS diode I am going to change the parameter. Let's see the parameter option. I am changing the value to 3.3 V underscore 1. So click enter, and now again save it to the server. So let's wait a second, and now it's generating new visualization. Let's wait a few seconds, refresh now this page and open the design and go to the production circuit schematics, and here you can see the fuse is removed. So visually we can see over here in the schematics file the it's removed, but how can someone see in the BOM that the fuse one is not used now? We don't need the fuse now, so how can he do? So we will see it by releasing the project and comparing the BOMs of a new release with the previously released uh, file. So let it to be done. It's processing the files for the release, and all the files are prepared now. You can add the release note as usual. In our previous video we are all done with this step, so we all know this. So I am adding, it's the fourth release. So now I am uploading, preparing files for the workspace so that the release can be go over there. So let's wait. See, here you have your release in the release option with the name, it's the rev 4 release. So you can compare your BOM schematics, PCB and Gerber. For BOM it's actually the fourth variant. You can compare your fourth version with the version 3, version 2 and version 1. Release 1, release 2, release 3, they all can be compared with release 4. So I am comparing the release 4 with the release 3. So it's comparing and the comparison is in progress. Let's wait a second and then we will see. As we delete the fuse and change the diode D2 value, here you can see the fuse was 0.5 amp, the name of the fuse was 0.5 amp, and it's with the red line, so it means it is removed now. So by comparing the A3 and with A4, you can see in the A4 a 0.5 amp fuse is not there, and in the modified component option you can see the component basically 4.7 UF is changed to 10 UF as I did in my schematics. Here the fuse is removed. So in the parameters option you can see added the parameter with value 3.3 V underscore 1. That's all for the today's video. Thanks for watching and follow us for the upcoming videos.